Hello! In this lesson we are going to talk about articles. It can seem strange why we still discuss this topic, but every level you learn something new about them. I promise today you will learn something new about them also. So, you already know that we use the definite article them with particular nouns when we know which one we are talking about, or when it is the only one. For example, the sun, or like in the sentence, "Can you turn off the light, please?" So, there is only one sun, and the light is particular. This is why we use the article the. We use the article the with superlatives. For example, Russia is the biggest country. And if these nouns were mentioned before, we also use the article the. For example, would you like an apple or a banana? The banana is very ripe. During the intermediate level course, you got to know that the definite article the is used with the names of places which are plural, like the Netherlands, and with names of countries with words states, kingdom or republic, like the United Kingdom, and with rivers, oceans and seas, for example, the Mediterranean Sea. Also, we use them to specify which one we mean according to the context. For example, what did you do with the book I lent you? I specify the exact book, the one I lent. And in addition to this, we use the definite article the with species of animals, like the giant panda, and inventions. For example, the wheel was probably invented about 10,000 years ago. If we talk about wheels in another context, we use the appropriate article to this context, but in exactly our example, we talk about the wheel as about the invention. And the last, we use the with national groups like the British or the ancient Greeks. Now let's have a look at the article e or n. We use the indefinite article e or n with jobs like a teacher or an engineer, and with singular countable nouns when they are mentioned for the first time or when it doesn't matter which one. For example, I can say, I'd like an apple. It doesn't matter which one, I just want an apple, one of many. Also, there are situations when we use the zero article. Let's remember when we use it. We use no article or so-called the zero article, obviously when we make generalizations with plural nouns. For example, cats make very good pets. And when we make generalizations with uncountable nouns. For example, we can say coffee is very expensive in this country. And when we make generalizations with abstract nouns, we also use no article. For example, accommodation is difficult to find. And we use no article with more streets, villages, towns, cities, countries, lakes and mountains. So we say Oxford Street, Italy, Mount Fuji, and etc.